Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Odyssey's oil life indicator. This simple procedure is crucial after an oil change to ensure your vehicle's maintenance minder system accurately tracks your next service interval. It helps keep your Odyssey running smoothly and reminds you when it's time for essential upkeep. Let's get started with the first step. First, get into your Odyssey and turn the ignition to the on position. You don't need to start the engine, just turn the key until the dashboard lights come on. Next, find the Select/Reset button, usually near your instrument cluster. Press this button several times to cycle through the different display options until you see the engine oil life percentage. Now that you see the engine oil life displayed, press and hold that same Select/Reset button. Keep it pressed for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life percentage and any active maintenance codes on your display will begin to blink. This indicates that the system is ready to be reset, so keep holding it steady. After the display starts blinking, release the button briefly. Then, immediately press and hold the Select/Reset button once more. Continue holding it for another 5 to 10 seconds. You'll see the oil life indicator reset to 100% and any maintenance codes will disappear. Once that happens, you've successfully reset your Honda Odyssey's oil life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.